If you have a small port, tracking insider wallets is the best strategy that you can use to grow your portfolio. Look at this wallet address. His win rate is 100%, crazy PNL over 200%. And although he doesn't buy too many tokens from each project, you can see he made something around $4,000 over the past 7 days. I can guarantee this wallet is an insider because having this high win rate, high PNL, it's not that much possible if you don't have insider information. And we're going to find out the main wallets that he's probably tracking, or maybe he's part of the projects. Let's take a look at these ones. For example, he bought this token few hours ago. He made over 150% profit on this token. He held it for 3 hours. This trade was 7 hours ago, so this wallet is quite active. This one, he held it for 1 hour, 366% profit. This one, 332% profit. He held it for 16 minutes. So you can see he made crazy profits on each project. Let's actually take a look at the charts because this is very interesting. Let me actually go to the trade section, filter traders. As you can see, his average buy price was $13,000 market cap, and he sold it at around $56,000 market cap. Remember these two numbers. He buy at $13,000 and he sell at 55. And you can always see a pump until here, until 37, and a dump until $18,000 market cap. Let's take a look at other tokens because you can see the same pattern. Let me filter and let's see. As you can see, he bought the token at $10,000 market cap. It was here, and he sold it at $51,000 market cap. The same numbers. The previous one was 1354. This one is 1051. And when you take a look at the chart, you can see the same pattern. A pump, a dump. This was until 27 and a start to pump. When you take a look at these projects, the dev section, you can see the developer only launched one token. This was the same for the previous token, for this one. The developer never launched any other projects. Let's check this one. He made 161%. When you take a look at dev token, he only launched one token, the same as the previous ones. And he bought the token at $10,000 market cap. He sold it at 51. Exactly the same pattern. Can you see this? And this was quite successful. It went much higher until $700,000 market cap. So this is actually very interesting. We had the dump after the dev sell until $7,000 market cap, and it started pumping. So basically, we know probably this trader has a strategy that he buy tokens at $10,000 market cap and he sell them at $51,000 market cap. And when you take a look at all these projects, none of them were some famous projects that you can see all the smart wallets, KOLs buy these tokens. I've never heard about any of these. But since this person had some insider information, he got into these projects. What I want to do is I want to find some similar wallets like this, because if this person has an insider news or he's part of the dev team, probably there are some other wallets that they use the same strategy and they buy the same tokens. So what I want to do is I want to copy the last token he bought at 4 hours ago. And I'm using Gatekept website. Gatekept is a free tool that you can use to find some mutual wallets between different tokens. Just click on multi-token search, and paste the contracts. This was the last token he bought. This was another token he bought. Paste it in here. 3 contracts should be enough, and this one. So find matching traders. It will find all the mutual traders between these 3 contracts. And as you can see, we have all these wallets. Let's check all of these. Let me open GMGN website again. And let's start from the top, this one. Just copy this and paste it in here. Let's take a look at this wallet. He has good win rate, 42%, decent PNL, and we can see almost same tokens like this one, Sammy. If I take a look at the previous one, you can see he also bought Sammy, but probably this person is not an insider. Maybe he tracks some wallets because he should have higher win rate or higher PNL. But I'm definitely adding this to my tracker because he's a decent wallet. Let's check this one, the second one. Paste it in here. And let's see. Look at here. 100% win rate and even higher PNL. The previous one, the PNL was 202, 100%. This one is 394. And look at the tokens he bought. Almost the same tokens. However, you can see some new ones as well. For example, this one was new. Or Sammy. This one also was new. So let's check when he bought the token. Let's copy the wallet. Probably we should see the same pattern. Let's go to the traders section, search by trader. He bought the token at $13,000 market cap. He sold it earlier at $36,000 market cap. Let's check the other one, this one. Let's see if we can find the same pattern. Let's search, click on apply. And he bought the token at $10,000 market cap, exactly the same as previous one, but he sold it later at $90,000 market cap. I think this is the first wallet that usually get into projects, and this wallet that I showed you, probably this person is copy trading this one. So it seems this wallet is the first wallet. A great tool that you can use to find the first buyers is actually Axiom. Let me copy the contract, go to Axiom website, and paste the contract here. You can actually find the link to Axiom in the video description, and by using my referral link, you can get 10% off in all your transactions. In this way, you support my channel, and I really appreciate that. Uh, you know, when you're on Axiom, click on chart settings and make sure you enable all these options. They are very useful. You can have migration line, click candles to filter transaction. This is the one that we're using right now. Make sure to enable these. Now, if I go to the first candle and if I click on this, you can see all the transactions that happen in this candle. If I click on the second candle, you can find all the transactions that happened in the second candle. In this way, you can find many good wallets and almost the main wallet that's, these wallets that I showed you are tracking. But all of them are definitely part of the insider team. To make sure these two wallets are actually part of the team, the previous one actually, let me actually go to Solescan. This is another strategy that you can use to find some insider connections. Go to the transfer sections and click on inflow. And go to the first transactions. We want to see how was the inflow. Click on sold. We want sold inflow. As you can see, he transferred around one sold 2 months ago to this wallet address, and it was from OKX exchange. Just remember this. Let's see if we can find any outflow. There are not many outflows. Yeah, there's no outflow for now. He's still using this wallet. Let's see if we can find something. There's nothing significant. He still has the balance in this wallet. He hasn't transferred that. But let's actually open the previous wallet that I showed you. Let me copy it from here again. Go to GMGN website, paste it, and go to Solescan. This was the second wallet that we found. It has higher balance. If I go to the transfer sections, click on Sol and Inflow. We want to see how he funded this wallet. If I go to the first transactions, you can see 3 months ago he transferred from OKX wallet. This is a very patient developer. Basically, months before launching projects, he transfers some Solana from OKX to different wallets. And he transfer only one Sol, two Sol, a small amounts. And then when he launch a project, he use some fresh wallets as the developer. He will sell the bag, the dev bag, and then he will use all these wallets to accumulate the supply. This is a very smart developer, and you can gain so much profit by tracking this kind of wallets because you know what is their next launch and you can get into those quite early. Actually, I'm going to share all these wallets on my Telegram channel for free. You can find the link in the video description. But let me show you another wallet. This actually uses the same strategy, but it's totally different with the wallets that I shared before. He has a very high win rate, a decent PNL. I don't say it's very high, but whenever you see a high win rate, there's a high chance that wallet is an insider because having 100% win rate is almost impossible as a regular trader. Let's take a look at his trade, for example, this one. I just want to show you how these developers work. I'm not saying to, track this wallet. His PNL is not that much good. But when we take a look at his trades, we can see same pattern. If I go to the trader section, click on apply, you can see he bought the token at $13,000 market cap. He sold it at 20, and the charts looks like this. A pump and dump until 10,000 and again pump. Let's take a look at this token. These two projects are totally different with the other wallets that I shared before. Just keep that in mind. Go to the trader section, paste the wallet in here, and we can see he bought the token at $12,000 market cap. He sold it at 21. So this is the same pattern that we can see in all his purchases. A pump, dump, exactly the same. Token reached to almost $10,000 market cap and it started to pump. And when we take a look at the dev tokens, you can see they've only launched one token. Basically, most developers, most successful ones, only launch one token with each dev wallet. We can see same pattern. Let's check, Solescan. I'm showing you the process of doing research because this is very important to know how to do a research on different wallets. Go to Solescan. Let's check the inflow and outflow. When it comes to inflow, let's go to the first wallet. He transferred from Binance around 3 Sol. So these, you know, basically developers usually use some SEC, some, exchanges like Binance, OKX. They will transfer to a wallet months before. You can see 1 month ago, this is totally a different developer. And, they never transfer the fund. They keep the fund in the wallet. They will, buy the tokens, different tokens for months. And when they are done with the wallet, they will transfer the money to another SEX like Binance. So we can see same pattern in here. And we can actually use gate kept to find some related wallets to this one, because as I showed you, uh he bought some tokens. All we have to do is to find some mutual wallets between all these tokens to find some good wallets to track. Or we can use Axiom to find the first traders in each candle. This is the search strategy that you can use. Unfortunately, I can't share all the wallets because if there are so many copy traders, the developer will change the wallet address. But I'm showing you how to get the fish by yourself, which is more valuable. If you found this video helpful, all I'm asking is to hit that subscribe button, like the video, leave a comment, support the channel. I hope you found this video helpful. See you in my next videos.